Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Last year on 10th March, in the statement issued by then Galup Tripa, we call on Tibetans and friends around the world to observe 2012 as the lobby year for Tibet. Accordingly, our friends and Tibetans around the world made their best efforts, and I would like to report that there was a success in the sense because of the lobbying efforts. The US Senate, European Union Parliament, Italy, and recently France passed resolutions on the issue of Tibet. And in an unprecedented way, around 100 members of parliament and representatives of Japan issued a statement of support for Tibet. 215 members of the parliament of Brazil issued a statement forming or declaring Friends of Tibet. Accordingly, many parliamentarians and leaders from Australia, Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, India, Japan, South Africa, and others issued similar statements of support. So we express deep appreciation to all these countries, to all the parliamentarians, governments, especially to Nabi Pillay, UN Human Rights High Commissioner, who issued a very strong worded statement calling for the Chinese government to address the grievances of the Tibetan people. And also the Ambassador Gary Locke, who visited the Tibetan areas where self-immolation is taking place and issued a very strong worded statements as well. At the same time, we also want to acknowledge and appreciate the reports issued by human rights organizations like Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch, Reporters Without Borders, and other entities on the issue of Tibet, thereby clearly supporting our belief that because of the repressive policies of Chinese government, there is resentment and also protest by the Tibetan people inside Tibet. So building on a successful lobby year in 2012, we are launching Solidarity with Tibet campaign in the year 2013. We hope and appeal to individuals who believe in justice, organizations, governments, and leaders and opinion makers, and friends in the media to make aware that the situation inside Tibet is getting worse, and the Chinese government so far has continued with their more repressive policies, and the cases of self-immolations are increasing now. So far, we have 92 cases of self-immolations, 79 alone this year, of which 77 have died, unfortunately. Yet, the Chinese leaders continue to ignore and resort to blame game, which we feel is uncalled for. Rather, they should address the situation in Tibet peacefully through dialogue, for which we are ready and willing. And I want to appreciate all the people who work very hard in making the video, the microsite, the Facebook, and Thunderclap. And we urge everyone who believes in justice to go to these sites and spread the word so that the situation inside Tibet will be known around the world, and the very much needed support and awareness be successful. Thank you.